As for the engine room, heater exchanger is out, fuel filter, oil filter from the main engine, which is a two-stroke Detroit, it's out. So heater exchange, filter, oil, fuel filter, and now we're doing the oil suction from these guys, Yanmar. Actually they're motorized Yanmar. The electric part is, I don't know, Mazda or something, but these guys are Yanmar. This is the engine, and here Ledlow is taking out the oil. Big mechanic, man, engineer, big mechanic. Messy engine room, but it will be clean very soon. Cheers, bye bye.